Justin, finish your breakfast. You need to get ready for practice soon.
Oh, crap! It's still wet. How am I going to get this dried in time? I need an appliance store. It's got to be one near Detroit.
Hey, this is GB Appliance. I heard you needed an appliance.
Huh? What the heck?
Sorry, but my appliance sensors were tingling. I can supply appliances for your laundry room and your kitchen and mattresses for your bedroom.
How am I going to have the jersey ready by tomorrow morning?
Well, I got same-day delivery. I can have it to you by this afternoon. Come make your selection at 3706 4th Street, Lincoln Park, Michigan. We'll be happy to help you.
Sounds good. What's your hours?
My hours are 10 to 6 Monday through Friday, 11 to 5 Saturday. Sunday we're closed.
I'll see you in a few moments. Thank you.